Good evening, dear parents and students. A hearty welcome to you all to the prize distribution ceremony of Sunfest 2021. It gives us an immense pleasure to host this event that has been celebrated to remember the achievements of all our dear students. Our Sunfest was an awesome event that took place with great number of participation, as we believe that participation is more important than winning and losing, and thus we have seen the spirit of participation in our students. But still we have to choose the best amongst the best. So let's start our prize distribution ceremony of grade 1 and 2.
The first event for the day was origami with a wonderful theme, natural scenery. Wow! What a wonderful creativity children have come up with. They were judged on the basis of presentation, finishing and shapes. The total time given was 60 minutes. We had the proactive and talented students who have participated for this event. So now let's see the winner. Third prize is taken by Yuvan Choksi. Second prize is taken by Jasvi Thakur. And Khushi Waghela. First prize is taken by Misri Patel.
Then we had moral stories. I believe that God has given gifts, talents and abilities to each one of us. So with their hard work, the students have given wonderful performance with full confidence and expressions for the event. They have also put up the moral of the story which we can apply in our daily lives. So let's see the winners. The third prize is given to two students, Mishri Patel and Akriti Patra. The second prize is given to Jasvi Thakur. And the first prize is taken by Khushi Waghela.
Next we had mono acting, where children had to perform on their favorite cartoon characters on the given parameters like confidence, dialogues, body language and expression, and their performance was absolutely wonderful. So now let's see who are the winner. And third prize is backed by Jeet Gojia. Second prize is backed by Misri Patel. And first prize is backed by Chetavya Patil. दोस्तों, ऐसा कहते हैं कि अच्छे लोगों की सबसे बड़ी खूबी यह होती है कि उन्हें याद रखना नहीं पड़ता, वो याद रह जाते हैं। ऐसे ही कुछ पलों को याद करते हुए हमारे प्यारे बच्चों ने अपने सुपर हीरो के बारे में हमारे समक्ष बहुत कुछ प्रस्तुत किया था। And it was such an emotional experience for the judges and host. So let's see the winner, and third prize is backed by Akriti Patra. Second prize goes to Khushi Waghela. And first winner is Jasvi Thakur.
Wow, our children enjoyed themselves so much and they were so much excited and eagerly waiting for the next event. That was Diya and Dandiya decorations. The parameters on which they worked were materials, finishing, neatness and creativity. So all of them came out with the wonderful creativity. So now let's see the results. The third prize is backed by Khushi Waghela, and Aradhya Patil. The second prize is backed by Akriti Patra. And the first prize is given to Jeet Gochia. Next we had calligraphy. Writing expresses that who are we as a people, and it makes our thinking and learning visible. And see the beautiful handwriting, they have written it so nicely and precisely. Now let's see the winners. The third prize is backed by Aradhya Patil. Second prize is given to Avanti Deepak. And the first prize is given to two students. First, Chitranshi Gehlot. And Mishri Patel. And the next event of the day was solo dance on the theme festivals. Here you can see on the screen the beautiful pictures of our rockstar performers with their beautiful theme-based costumes and makeover. Wow, what a performance each and everyone gave us. The winners are, the third prize is given to Chaitavya Patil. The second prize is given to Mishri Patel. And the first prize is again taken by two students, Khushi Waghela. And Avanti Deepak.
The next event was fancy dress. On that day, all students of grade 1 and 2 showcased their talent by dressing up as a various cartoon character. It was a delight to watch the children as they came up and spoken about the character they were dressed up as. Wow! What the character like Frozen, Elsa, Chhota Bhim, Chutki, which look like a real cartoon world. Okay, let's see the winner of this competition, and third rank goes to Avanti Deepak. Second prize taken by Jasvi Thakur. And Mishri Patel. Our first winner is Khushi Waghela. दोस्तों, जिंदगी में किसी भी मंजिल या मुकाम को पाने के लिए सबसे आवश्यक चीज आपकी मेहनत तथा आपका धैर्य है। उसी उत्साह के साथ हमारे बच्चों ने डे 3 का फर्स्ट इवेंट द डे आई रिमेम्बर पूरे आत्मविश्वास के साथ बीते हुए कल में बिताए गए लम्हों को याद करते हुए हमारे समक्ष पेश किया था। एंड देयरफॉर इट इज सेड, नो वन कैन एवर टेकन योर मेमोरी फ्रॉम यू। Each day is new beginning and make good memories every day. So the winner of these events are, and third prize taken by Mishri Patel. Second prize is taken by Chitranshi Gehlot. And first prize taken by Khushi Waghela. गीत गाता चल मुसाफिर गुनगुनाता चल, ओ साथी चल, ओ साथी चल। कहते हैं हर चीज में संगीत है, बस कहने वाले नहीं सुनने वालों की भी जरूरत है। ऐसे ही कुछ अंदाज में हमारे प्यारे बच्चों ने सुरीली और मधुर आवाज के साथ हमारा बहुत मनोरंजन किया था, जिसके विनर्स है थर्ड प्राइज गोज टू जसवी ठाकर। सेकंड प्राइज गोज टू चित्रांशी गहलोत। And first prize is taken by Avanti Deepak.
Now let's see the winners of the next event, that was clay and mud art, where children were judged on the basis of beauty, neatness, idea and their wonderful creativity. And here we can see on the screen their beautiful creation with their tiny little hands. Wow, what an amazing artwork they have come up with. So let's see the winners for clay and mud art. The third rank goes to Chitranshi Gehlot. And Jashvi Thakur. The second is given to Raviraj Bhatt. And the first prize is given to Khushi Waghela. Now let's see the winners of the last event of the day, which was pencilless and brushless painting, where children were judged on the basis of color, ideas, creativity and finishing. The total time given was 60 minutes. And beyond our expectations, without using pencil and brush, they showcased the talent in a very beautiful way. Let's see the winners for this event. The third prize is shared by two students. First, Chaitavya Patil and Kush Garg. The second prize is again shared by two students. First, Yuvain Choksi and Jashvi Thakur. And wow, again the first prize is shared by two students, that is Khushi Waghela and Mishri Patel.
Last but not least, thank you all our dear parents and students for your cooperation in making this prize distribution ceremony a great success. On behalf of our school management and teachers, we would like to congratulate all our winners and all other participants who have also given their wonderful performance. All the very best to each and everyone. Thank you so much.